Okay. So see here, const fruits they taken. Okay, and inside they pass 2,0. What it will do?
What,
So
sir?
see 2,0 means
2,0. It will assign, sir, position from 0,
yeah,
1,
2,0 means second position it will add the data and it will remove how many value?
0 value.
0 value, because the second position it will start from the second index. Okay, but 0 means it will remove 0 value. So see the first parameter 2 defines the position where new element should be added in the sense splice. Okay, so it will start from the second, means on the second position it will add the value, and second parameter 0 de defines how many elements should have been removed. So second value it going to tell you how much you have to remove, and first one it will tell you from where you have to add, on which position. So the rest of the parameter like a lemon, kiwi defines the new element to be added. Okay, so how many element and which all what all element you want to add, those we have to pass here in this array. Means not array, you can pass with that method. It added. 1 second. Still not. So now tell me the output for this one, Sweta. How many element it will remove and how many element and where it will add the data?
Sir, after range we add and remove two elements, sir, apple and mango.
Apple and mango, 0 and 1. Okay, so it is on the second index, correct? Apple is on the second index. So it will remove the data, means it will start all their work from the second position, second index. So it will start from here. It will remove two data, means apple and mango it will remove, and it will add lemon and kiwi in that place. In that place or only one? Only apple or only means both?
Both will remove, sir.
Why?
No, sir,
Why?
only both.
Only one, correct?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Sir,
Yeah.
it can start second position. Apple is second position, no, sir.
Okay. It
Uh,
will start from the second position. I start from second position. Okay. That is apple. Okay,
yes,
fine.
and both it
Next.
will. Apple
And
and
how? Both remove. Okay. So you're telling that apple and mango both will get removed. Why? Because two. Because two data we have to delete. Correct or not? So how many value it will be? This is not actually position. This is number of data. You can tell that a length 2, like that type. How many data you have to remove that? And first one, what is this one? First one is the index value.
yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
First one is the index value. So first one will tell you from where you have to remove the data, and second one telling you how many data you have to remove. Clear or anyone having any doubt now? It not started
Yes,
still.
sir.
Clear. Okay. Let me check one more time. Wait. Yeah, now it got started.
Sir,
Yeah.
so that output would be it remove the apple, and instead of apple it will be add lemon and kiwi.
Not instead of apple, instead of apple and mango both, because two data going
Okay.
to remove. So let's see. So what we doing here? We going to remove means we going to add from data from the second position. Second position in the sense from the apple, and we going to remove two data, means apple and mango. Let's see the output, whether we getting or not. One second. Yeah. So we got the output. Banana, orange is there, lemon and kiwi is there. These both are newly added, and apple and mango both are
Sir,
both
your
got
screen is not
removed.
visible.
What?
Your screen is stuck, sir.
The screen got stuck. What about others?
No, sir.
Huh? Yes,
No,
sir.
no,
Okay.
fine, sir.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Now VS Code is visible or not? VS Code and
Yes,
Chrome
visible.
browser.
Visible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Visible.
Yeah.
VS Code is visible and then this is also visible.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So see, what we will do now, we will remove one data. Okay. How many data is now available? Just only one value, kiwi. And now I want to. So now tell me, first one, what we will pass? Which position we start? First argument, what will be the first value? Please speak fast.
0,
First
sir.
value,
0, sir.
0 means it will add from 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the second one?
0, sir.
Second value 0 means it going to add 0, add from the 0th position, and it will remove the 0 element, correct? Means there is no deletion. Let's save and let's see. So we got added kiwi on the first position, correct? And there is no delete, so all 4 become the member, means total become the 5. Now add some more data. Okay, add on the last, means remove mango and add means kiwi there. Remove mango and add kiwi.
3 and
What
1,
on the
sir.
first one?
3, sir.
3. Second?
1.
0, sir.
Second 0. 1 second. 0. Okay, let's
Is that
save.
removed?
How many data? Praful, explain me the line of code. Line number 23. Explain me the 3 value. What is the use of this 3?
Sir, 3 means starting the position of in index value.
Okay, 3. Fine. Next.
And 0 means ending means not a ending. That's why 0.
No. 0 means a deleting number of a deleted value. Number of value you want to delete. Correct or not?
Yeah,
Sir?
sir.
Second value, it will tell you how many data you deleting. You told 0 means no data you going to delete, but I want to delete mango and I want to replace with a kiwi. Let's save. Wait.
Sir, got it, sir. Delete mango, right one.
Yeah. So there, 1 second. Why this much slow? Yeah. So see, according to your what happened on the third position, data came 0, 1, 2, third. Means on the third position. But what about the data? Kiwi is there. Okay. But there is no deletion. So see, third position kiwi came, but data is there. Mango. I want to delete. So remove this 0 and pass 1. Now save. It become very slow actually. 1 second. All extension get loaded or not? Oh, 68%. It will take some time. Okay, fine. It will come out. Yeah. So see the output. Now we got apple. Now we got apple and mango got deleted, and in place of mango, kiwi is there. I think it's clear now for all. Clear, or anyone having still any doubt? In case of a splice method. So see, what is the best use of this one? So can you tell me how we can I wanted to do the push operation with the help of a splice method. Tell me the code. I wanted to do push operation. What push operation is doing?
Adding the elements, sir.
Where?
It's add the element.
Last.
Last. Tell me the code in place of a splice. Write down the code in your paper and pen and tell me fast. Push operation with a splice method. Tell me fast. Now see, everyone know that what is how to means push is working, how a splice is working, how slice is working, everything. So tell me the line of code.
Yes, right, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Where you answer in fruit?
Yeah, this array.
Yeah, sir. We
This
write fruit dot
fruits
splice.
dot splice. Okay.
Yeah, 4 comma 0.
4 comma 0
Yeah.
comma kiwi.
Yeah.
Means
Yes.
push operation adding data on the last position. Correct. So let's save. So we added data where? On the last position. Last position in the sense after mango. So let's see. After mango, we got the data kiwi. So it's the same like a push. Correct.
Sir.
Yeah.
I think 4 is not a index. It is a length, sir. No?
No, 4 is also index. 0, 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
3
On
after
fourth
4.
position, yeah, on fourth position, you going to add.
Sir, here a length or index? I am confused, sir.
This is both is that actually. Now you pass this one 4. This is both because this having 4. 4 is the length. This
Yeah, sir.
array having the
After
length 4.
length adding.
Yeah. No, don't consider the length. Consider the position where you want to add the data on the last.
Yeah, sir.
Correct.
Yeah.
What is the position of last? What is the index value of last?
Index value 5, sir.
5. How you index value 5? Okay. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3. What
4,
is the
4,
index
sir.
value?
4, 4, sir.
Clear.
Yeah,
So
sir.
I want the data on the last. See, whenever you have the
0.
requirement to add data in the last, you can go with the length direct. Array dot length. Correct or not?
Yeah, yeah.
It will give you the last value. You can get the directly. Now see, you got the data in the last. So this is equivalent to which method? Which method this is actually?
Push.
Push method.
Push method. See, in interview they are asking this question. Okay. Next, I want to behave this, make this as a pop. Tell me code. Convert this splice method in pop operation.
So write fruit dot splice.
Yeah, Sweta, tell. Wait, Dharmendra. Yeah, Sweta.
Dot slice,
Splice.
and we can pass 0, 0.
Means you telling 0, comma 0.
0, 1, sir.
0, 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What that which method I told?
Pop method, sir.
Pop. What pop method will do? It will remove data. From where?
From first position.
Pop will remove data from the first position or last.
For last. Sir.
Sir,
I not asking.
Sir,
I not asking this load. Pop method. It will do from the last. Correct.
Yes, sir, I can.
Yeah. Now tell me. What you have to pass here? Shivani, shift method. Be ready with code. Approach unshift method. Both Shivani. Yeah, Sweta, tell.
Sir, remove last. Okay, sir. 1, 2, 3. 3, sir. Second, sir. 3, 1, sir.
How many value you adding?
Sir, your question, maybe I can say.
I wanted to see on this line we had performed the push method, correct?
Yes, sir.
Here I want to perform the pop method. What pop method will do? It will remove the data, correct?
Yes, sir.
Lalan, tell me. It will remove the data.
0, 1, 2, 3. Mango, it will remove.
0 means what? We not going to add the data, correct?
0 means taking the from position. He's taking the first position.
1 second. You told here 0. 0 means what happened? We not going to add any data.
Yes.
Correct. Fine. Next, you going to remove the data. Means 0 means it's taking the starting itself. That's fine.
Yes.
But we want to remove the data. Which data we want to remove? Last one.
Okay. 1.
Correct. What is the value of last?
It's 3, sir.
3.
3. Let's save and check whether we getting an output. What happened?
Mango, I got.
Sir, 3, 1 is working mostly.
Let's see. 3, 1.
Yes, sir, it's working.
Banana,
Mango will-
orange, apple. Yeah.
Yes.
So this worked for the pop method. Correct. Next. What was that next?
Shift, unshift, shift, unshift, sir.
Shift. Who have got shift? Roots dot
Splice.
splice. Don't tell slice. Be keep in mind. Otherwise you will get mistake. Yeah. Splice. After that method is shift.
0. 0 dot
0 comma
0 comma dot 0.
0 comma 0. Shift means what?
It's removing the first element.
Remove
From
from
the first one.
first. Remove from the first in the sense. Sure, you have to pass here something in the place of 0. Means I will remove one data.
Yeah, 1 pass.
Correct. How many data you going to add? 0 data. Let's save. Banana is get removed or not?
Yes, sir.
Banana get removed.
Yes, sir.
Got it. This is the unshift method. Means that splice become the unshift. Correct. Next. Clear this one or not? Anyone having any issue?
No, sir.
Clear. Next.
Sir, once,
yeah.
sir, once can you use in a string? Once we can use in a string this method.
No, that will not work.
This is array, na? This is array, but we
Yeah,
have
this
used
is
in a string.
Okay, let's see. You can also do the same task. Okay, you can keep laptop and you can see that a splice method is not with a string. Then how you will pass? See, a split is coming. Okay, slice method is there. A splice is not there. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So what was the method? That unshift is pending. Yeah. What's the dot?
Splice.
Who is going on train? Oh, sorry. Yeah, splice. Splice. Yeah. Who have this method? Unshift.
Of course, sir. 0, 0.
Yeah, tell. Unshift means what? Add the data.
Remove. Add the data
At
starting.
the beginning. Starting.
At first position. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, I can go for dinner. Okay, go for dinner. Now we will, no need for dinner. Okay, directly we will stop the class. Yeah, fruits dot splice. What means this? This means unshift the data. Unshift data where? Add data at a first position. Correct? So tell me how to add data on the first position.
0 and
If you,
comma 0, sir.
0, comma 0 and add data means you sure you have to pass the data. So pass the data also. Got it? Let's see whether it's correct or not. So we got the kiwi where on the 0th position and we getting banana, orange, apple, mango as usual. Clear? So this will become the unshift method. So see what we done with the help of a splice method. It was working like slice also. It was working like push, pop, shift, unshift, everything. Got it? What is the use of a splice? Means a splice is all rounder. It will do all the tasks. Means push the data, remove the data from the starting, ending, anything. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? See this now, whatever
Yes,
we
sir.
discussed. Using a splice to remove the element. So how you going to remove the data? 0, comma 1. See that same thing we had passed. Correct. The first parameter defined. That's all the story. No need. Next, JavaScript array slice method. Slice means what? Splitting. Correct. So let's copy this line code. In interview, suppose anybody asking you like this type that how it will work. Keep in mind what first value is doing and what second value is doing. Suddenly you can calculate what are the things is there. CIT citrus. Now see that what we written here, fruits, banana, orange, lemon, apple, mango. Every fruit's name is there. Then fruits dot slice. What slice going to do? Slice which split out. Correct? Whatever value you want. So here we passed 1. 1 means what? A starting index. Yeah. So first value it will remove. First value become where? Orange. So from the orange it going to split out this all value. See that orange, lemon, apple, mango. Where is the banana? Banana got removed. Means first value got removed. And same thing we had done. Which one? Which one by doing same thing? It removing the first value. Who had removed? Which line of code?
Shift with the help of shift
Shift method. See this one. Shift method remove the data from the first. Okay, means a slice, whatever slice is working, whatever slice is giving you output, same thing we had done with the help of a splice method. Clear? So next, see that slice method creates a new array. And slice method does not remove any element from the source array. Means slice method it going to create the new array and it doing all the operation. Clear? These all are just a theory. We already done that.
Means whatever the
Yeah.
it means whatever the old data, they are not going to remove from old data.
Yeah.
It will
It
be
not going
new.
to do anything. Correct. So next, automatic to a string. What is this? JavaScript automatically convert an array to a comma separated string when a primitive value is expected. This is always the case when you're trying and output an array. These two examples. Okay, it's a telling regarding. Okay, it's a converting fruits dot to a string for converting into a string. We already seen this thing. It's not an issue. Okay, next, finding max and min value of the array. So now tell me up to splice
Sir,
method.
in,
Anyone
sir,
having any
in
issue? Yeah.
sir, in slice you can pass double value, sir. In
One
this
second.
array
Slice
section.
method. Yeah, we can pass that. It telling that starting index and up to where you want. So a starting is orange. Starting is orange and ending is second position. In second value 0, 1, 2 up to lemon. It will give output to orange and lemon. Let's see. Oh, it
Orange
given
and
only
lemon.
orange. Yeah, second value it not considering actually. So we got this one. If you will pass 3, it will go up to where? Lemon. Orange and lemon. In slice, we had seen that this is a starting,
Pass
this
4,
is
sir.
ending.
1,4.
Yeah, then up to 3 it will go because last one it not considering.
Sir,
Last value
consider
it
it,
not.
sir. Sir,
What?
I think it's removing by index. Starting value 1, it is
Yeah.
removing banana, and ending value 4, it is removing mango.
It's not doing that. See what it's doing.
Sir,
Can you
output
revise the
will
slice?
become
One
that,
second,
sir.
1 second, Dharmender.
Yeah, okay,
Dharmender,
sir.
1 second. Okay, output came like this. Go bit 3. What is the output? Orange and lemon. Where is this 2 value?
Orange and
Tell me.
lemon. After the 3,
Length.
sir, we remove all the text. We pass it there 2. It is removing lemon, apple, and mango.
1 second. What are you telling? Pass here
After,
what?
sir,
2.
2, sir, it's removing lemon, apple, mango, like that, sir.
Had you revised a string one method?
Yeah, sir.
Slice.
Sir,
I
sir,
had
run one time,
highlighted
sir.
something there.
Yes,
I
sir,
had
run one.
highlighted something there. No, don't run. I had highlighted something in the string method of slice. That it not considering. If you will open the material, you will see that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, when you going to W3 school itself, you will get that. That's why I telling just go through the material which I sharing because I highlighting whatever important. But you all not listening. You all going through W3 school itself. But if you going W3 school, that's not an issue. But go through each line, whatever is written there. Last value it's not considering. That's the written in the material. In W3 also, when you will go slice method, it is written there. Last value it's not considering. Means ended value is not considered. That type it's written. Okay. So end means second. So it will not consider 2. It will go up to 1 itself. That's why we getting only orange. Okay. When we passing 3, what means this? Up to 3. But it will not take 3. It will go up to 2 because last value not considered. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go through material. Because that's why I highlighting wherever it's important. As your wish, that's not an issue. Next, finding max and because I had seen today a screenshot of each member, nobody had open material. Everybody was going through W3 school itself. I can show you proof if you want. Finding max and mean value in array. So there is no built-in function. What means this one? Finding max and mean value. See, don't think that what you all doing, I not getting. I getting each member activity. Okay. Ask Samir. Yesterday he was practicing and he was opening the news or not. Samir, when you was practicing, you was going through the news or not?
Yes, sir. I went, sir.
Yeah. How I got that? You had gone through news.
Sir, you are
That's
Mahaguru, sir.
Mahaguru is not the matter, man. I had seen today that's all member was going through just W3 school. Means website was open, W3 school. Nobody was going through any material, no any video, nothing is there. Okay, so how to find the max and mean value in array? So suppose that suppose we considered this fruits. Fine. How you will realize what is the max and mean value in this one? Is it easy to find out in this place?
Yeah, sir.
Suppose be taking late and any late roll number equal to, okay, and 1, 2, 8, 5, 3, like this value. We can easily got that. What is the max value, mean value, that thing. But in this place, in this case, it's very complicated to identify whether who is max and who is min value.
With the help of means that element, how many letter over there?
Sir,
Yeah.
like alphabetically, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, we can increase and decrease. We can do all the operation. Then only we can find out who is on the first, who is on the max, means last, like that. So see, there are no any built-in function for finding the highest or lowest value in a JavaScript array. You can learn how many solve the problem in the next chapter tutorial. Okay. So sorting of the array, max and min, we can see that. So sorting of the array. So with the help of sorting itself, we can get that also. So sorting of the array. So how to sort the array? Already we had seen.
Using
Can anyone
sorting
tell me?
method, sir. Sort method,
We
sir.
can use the sort method. Fine. So let's do that. 1 second. Let SORTED sorted data equal to fruits dot fine and console dot log SORTED sorted data. So sorted data be done. Fine. Next, see what happened. What is the sorting order you getting here? A is on the first, then B
Alphabet.
alphabetical order. So see one thing, whether it's creating new array or old one.
So new array, sir.
New array, because see, after sorted, we had assigned this to one variable and it operated all the task. Correct? Because now also, if you will take the old array value fruits, then you will get the old data. Oh, sorry. Actually, I taking this after sorting. Take this before. See that banana, orange, lemon, apple, mango. But after sorting, we got apple, banana, mango. It's proper arranged. Okay. So see, can anyone tell me where we can use this sort method in the real scenario, like website or anything? When you're developing
In
application.
college, we are going to assign roll number. For that purpose, we are going to use.
Yeah. So suppose that you have user list, multiple user list. It starting from the alphabetical order A, B, C, D. Correct?
We study this.
Yeah, so in that place we can go with the sort and we can arrange all the means with the help of sorting method we can arrange all the like alphabetical order and it become easy to identify, means you can tell that filter out. So sorting order. Next, okay, do one thing, go with the number also and let's see what it going to do. See one thing, take care. This all, whatever methods you are studying in the case of array, number, string, it's very important. If you attending Java means interview of JavaScript, okay, means sure this all methods will be your interview question. So see, we sorted the number. Now see, we got 1, 2, 8, 5, 3. That is original one. But see this second one, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. It came in the order wise. If we passed here 800, sorry, 800. Let's save. So we automatically get sorted one. 800 in the last. Let's pass that 0.2. I don't know where it will come. So see, automatic it came on the first position because that is a small value. So this way we can use the sorting in which place, both number and a string. So in a string it will go with the alphabetical order and in the number case it will go with the numeric one. Clear? Sorting, how it's working. So sorting mostly means maximum time you will use this method while you developing any application. As like when you going for purchase of means purchasing on the Flipkart or Amazon, any online portal. So that time mostly we are using this one. So reversing order means Now whatever data be getting in the proper manner. We want to reverse that. Reverse in the sense 800 should be on the first and 0.2 should be in the last. Now tell me how to do that. Sweta, can you
reverse
tell?
sort.
Yeah, okay.
Means
Reverse order.
descending order.
Yeah, descending order you can tell. So how to do that? Reverse method itself is there. Okay, save this. What happened? 3, 5, 800, 0.221. Is this correct?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Sir, it's correct, but it's
0.22 it
not
would
as
be last.
One
sir.
second, Dharmender, what you telling? Yeah, correct. What?
Sir,
In order.
but sir, we not using sorting for proper arrange, sir.
Yeah. So see, when you have to reverse, what you have to do? First, you have to sort the data. Okay. First, sort the data. Due to sort, it will came in the ascending order, and after that, go with the reverse. Now see. So fruits dot reverse we had written here. Remove this much variable. We will go simple. So first, do the sorting. Fruit dot sort. And now see, be taken fruits dot sort. So due to this one, what will happen? Our data will got sorted. So now
Descending
see,
order.
we got in the form of ascending order 0.221358. And now I want reverse. So now use this method. Fruits dot reverse. It will get opposite. 800 531 0.22. Clear? So now do the same. Suppose that you have to write anything in the ascending order or descending order. So you will use this type. This is the way to write ascending and descending order. So just write any number. 25, 2, 900, 24, 300, 11. Okay, let's save. So we got 900, 300, 25, 24, 11, 2. Where is the issue? Where is it 2? 2 become there. Okay. So we will. So for right now, it become error. Okay. So fruits dot sort, it will arrange you means ascending, and after that it will go with the reverse. But when you will come means when you crossing more than 2 digit, okay, it will give you the problem. It will not give you proper sorting. Means when it was just a single digit number, 5, 2, okay, 9, 3, 74. Let's save and see. So 9, 8, 74, 3, 2, 1. Wait, don't reverse first.
No,
Let's
yeah,
sort.
first sort.
1, 2,
After
3.
that, you have to go yours.
No, it will give you error. I know that. See now 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. What it doing? It not considering the second value. Okay, it considering the first value and it done all the operation based on that one. But when you getting the second value means 2 digit on 1 digit, it will work fine. But when you going with the second value, second digit, it will not give you the proper answer. You will get issue. So let's uncomment this, unmute. Who is on unmute? Check. So 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. It's working on the first digit. See, it's not considering the second value. But how to do that? Let's see. So let's check on this also. Let's comment. Yeah. So in the string case, first comment this. So just see whether we getting the same issue here also or not. So A, B, C, D, E, whatever ABCD, just check L, M, N, O. It is alphabetical. It's fine. Let's go with the reverse and do that. So see that I going with the opposite. A, B, L, M, N, O. It's correct. Correct or not? Means what happened? Where we seen the problem? Where we facing the issue?
In number
Means
case, sir.
in the In the string case, it's working fine, but when we moving with the string number one, it's giving a error. When you getting error actually?
When
When you getting error,
2-digit came, sir.
yeah, two-digit came.
With single digit.
Correct. So when there will be 2-digit, automatic the problem get rises. Okay. So let's see that how to resolve that issue. So numeric sort. By default, the sort function sort the value as a string. So okay. So apple come first, banana let it to be. So now come to the numeric sort. In the numeric sort, what is the issue actually? In the string, no need to compare anything. It's just going with B, A, B, C, D alphabetical order and it's working fine. But when you going with the numeric sort, it have to find out the differences. Okay, that whether you can tell that, yeah, it have to compare the 2-digit, means a 2 value, and once after compared, then only it's sorting. Had you studied that merge map in data structure during college? Means a data structure and algorithm, you can tell that. Had you studied? Anyone?
Yeah, sir. Study what for it, sir? Merging
Anyone? No
data,
one?
sorting data.
Yeah. Points dot sort. How to write this simple? I forget. I know that error will come.
All the functions.
Function I had called sorted data is there, A comma B. I have to pass here argument, means value. Points dot sorted data. 1 second. Function A comma B. Remove that, let it to be. Turn A minus B. Fine. Function who have no name. What is that called? Any idea? Function without name. Anyone? Function without name. What it is called? So see this. In this function, we had learned still the function. In all function, we was writing some name. Correct or not? Here we was giving function name. Like this way. Correct? But here I written one function on the top without any name. Is there function name available in this line? No. Correct or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
the function without name is known as anonymous function. We will learn that function without name. So in this case, we had kept just function keyword, and it will work the same as like. But in the case of anonymous function, no need to call the function. Automatic it will get called. Okay, because there is no name, so it will called automatic. So that's why we passed inside the method itself. Share this. Got it? Inside method. So let's see what it's going to do. Just understand this concept. So we taken the array. What is this? 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait, we will come on that, Dharminder, don't worry. So what it going to do? Be taking the value points, means be taking the value from the array dot sort, and inside sort method be calling the function that is anonymous function. And there what we going to do? Be taking two value a and b, and we are comparing that value a and b. We are comparing, and after compare, what we doing? We are returning the compared result. Compared result in the sense, who is this unmuting?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Please wait, don't be disturbed in the middle itself. Let me complete, after that you can ask. So see what happened? This array, this is one means complete array. Inside this array, we taking that, and here we pass the sort method. Inside the sort method, we had written one function. See, when you going to work with the number, you have to go with this process itself. You have to compare the two value, and after comparing, it will internally it will kept somewhere like a temp data or something. When you will work on the programming side, that time you will learn more that how to pass the data in the temp, and then you can utilize. So same thing it working, it taking two value, it comparing. Like suppose that two value, just consider 40 and 100. It will take two value a comma b. So in the place of a comma b, it will take 40 and 100, and it will take here return a minus b. So 40 minus 100, it become minus 60. Means whether it's a small or means high or low, whatever it will arrange accordingly. We not have to think how they working. If you have to think regarding that one, that's why I had asked anybody had studied merge map and those or not sorting. There are different sorting algorithms. Like in C++, mostly we are studying that one. So internally that is happening. So here it taking the two value, any two value, means starting it will take the two value, and it will pass in the inside this function as argument, and after that it will return the value. So after that, whatever value means result will be, it will give to that that array itself. Okay, it will arrange the value, and that's why in the console be getting the points. Let's run this first the output, and then we will check. So be getting 1, 5, 10, 25, 40, 100. Now it's working fine. Same thing we had done previously in the by using that reverse method. So let's do that. Points sort must be done the sorting. Okay, console.log and points. Let's save. So what happened? Sorting 1, 10, 100, 25, 45, because it not going to compare this complete value with the others. It comparing the first digit only. That's why we getting 1, 1, then 2, then it started 4, then it started 5. It's not going to look over the second one. And now do the reverse, whatever. If you want to reverse, go with the reverse. Sorry. So points dot reverse. And now check the reverse process. What happened? We got 5 in place of 100. 100 have to come first, but it's not, because it's not comparing first value and second value. But same thing it going to do in case of this sorting method. What it doing? it taking the value and it comparing the first value and second value, whether the first value and second value is a means a subtraction of both value, difference between both value become negative or positive. According to that, it placing the order. Okay, and that it going to return. So due to anonymous function, no need to call the function, and we had written the function directly. And let's save the data. So now it become 1, 5, 10. Now see, in the previous case, what we was getting here 1 means this 10, it was coming here because order of the 1. So previous case means when we had used the sort and reverse, 1, 10, then it was coming 100, then 25, then 40, and then last bar with the 5, means with the help of sort, because that was not comparing, that was just checking the first digit, means unit place, not the tens place. But in the case of these methods, it was going to check that differences between both. So if you want to pass more data, you can pass any data. Now it will not means it will not give you any issue, it will work as fine. Let's save. See, it got 100 means 1000 on the last, pass here 5000, now save. So see, 5000 become the last. Can we do the same thing? Okay, so let's say do one thing, check with the string also, whether we will get any issue there or not. But see, maybe we will get we will get issue there in the case of a string, because the number only we can compare, a minus b. This difference is only possible with the number, not in the string case. But then also we will just one time cross verify. Now see what happened. We got banana, then we got orange, then we got lemon, then we got apple, and then mango. It's not a single proper order, because A have to come first, then B, then C, D, E, F, that alphabetical order. It's become complete wrong. Okay, so the string will not work on this way. The string will work with the sorting method also only, and the number always, whenever you will get the number, whether single digit, double digit, it's not, never go with the sort and reverse. Always go with this difference method. This is known as a difference. See that the compare function. Okay, so always you have to go with the compare function for the case of number. Okay, so with the help of this, we can get ascending and descending order. So what is this one? This is ascending order. Do one thing, just wait. Then we will come on the dot. This is your ascending, ASCENDING. ORDER. So when you have to compare, means when you have to show that what is the highest marks or something, you have to go with this process. So this is actually ascending order. So this is not a, so let's save this line first. So we got ascending order become 1, 10, 25, 40, 10, 100, 500. Now I want descending order. Copy this complete line of code and place that, and whatever we going here, we was passing a comma b, a comma b. What we will do, just reverse the process, means reverse the position. Right here b comma a. Okay, and b comma a, and reverse here also. Right here b minus a. Control F and do the console log. 1 second. Yeah. Console.log. Log points ESCENDING, descending order. 1 second. Compare this one. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Sorry. A comma B. Yeah, now it's. So now see what argument we had taken, a comma b. It's the same, And here we have to reverse the process, means reverse the differences position. Previously we by taking a comma b, so a comma b it given ascending order, okay, and we will take here just reverse the order, b minus a, so it given you the descending order. See that 5000 then become 1000, 140, this one. Just uncomment this line 1 second. So see, we got here ascending order and this become your descending order. So always whenever there will be case of number, you have to go with the comparison operator. And in comparison operator, what you have to do? Inside the sort method, you have to pass one function which will compare your data. So how to compare the data? You will compare with the help of a minus b. So inside this for the comparing purpose, you have to pass the argument to value. You not have to vary. Yeah, 1 second. Can we write C, D, E, F anything or not? So we can write. So let's see. We can pass here X and then comma Z. Okay. And pass here X minus Z. Let's see. We getting the same thing. Yeah. So we getting the same value. So what is the difference? Means what is the difference between both cases? So difference is just first argument minus second argument. So first argument value, whatever you getting here, first minus second, then it will give you the ascending order. Second minus 1, it giving you the descending order. That is the case. Now tell me if you have any doubt. A minus B. Any doubt? Tell me. All clear? Samir, tell me what was the doubt you have?
Sir, actually, I am asking to, in a string, we are comparing only first letter. Means if you are going to ascending or descending, it's comparing only first letter. Suppose it's comparing means whatever that word is there, whole word is going to compare. For that purpose, what we have to do?
What you telling? Whole world?
Means
see, this is 1 second. This is the process of arranging the order. Got it?
Okay.
This is the process of.
It's comparing only single words. Sir.
Yeah. Because we going to arrange the alphabetical.
Okay. And sir, suppose do one thing. Suppose in that name is BA, means one more banana, and instead of A is mentioning B over there, means 2 times B. Then
let's see that. Then it will come the same time. Means it will come the same. Okay, 2 times its banana came. Now save and now check. Banana is there. Because anyway that will check with your alphabetical order.
Okay, got it, sir.
So same thing it will do in case of a number also. Suppose that you have 5000. Pass anywhere and comma. Yeah. So save. Now see. We got 5000 because in this 5000 there is no any differences, or in this banana there is no any differences. Let's do one thing, pass a small letter and then see what happened. Then see banana came here and this banana came here, it become difference. Okay, so you have to take care.
So in JavaScript lambda operator works, sir?
No, in JavaScript lambda operator is not there, that in Java.
Sir, but in sorting, sir, it's work.
I don't know. I have not the idea regarding lambda operator, how it's working actually. I just listen the word lambda operator in Java. How that working actually?
Sir, it's sorting, sir.
Means how to write the sentence?
Sir, A comma B, it's sir sorting. It's a lambda operator.
A comma B means how to write the complete sentence of that? As
Yes, sir.
like be written here points dot sort, then something sentence is there for that or not?
What, sir? I am not getting.
भाई उसका पूरा सेंटेंस कैसे लिखाएगा वो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
सर ये पूरा कोड ही है सर, ये पॉइंट्स का सर, जैसे कि पॉइंट्स डॉट सॉर्ट,
हाँ
पॉइंट्स
ओके
डॉट
उसके
सॉर्ट, उसके बाद सर पॉइंट डॉट सॉर्ट, या एंड सर parenthesis, inside parenthesis we can put one parenthesis also, sir.
okay
Yeah, and one a comma b,
okay a comma
and
b.
after parenthesis we pass equal to.
Okay, got it, that arrow function.
Yes, then sir, yeah sir, like that, sir.
Yeah, that will
A
also
minus
work.
b.
We
A
will
minus
learn the
b,
arrow
sir.
function.
No sir,
Yeah.
no return function, sir, only a minus b, sir. Remove curly braces, sir.
Just 1 second. Yeah, that's
Yeah, it's also work.
this is arrow function actually. This is same thing. We will learn arrow function, that time I will reduce this line of code. Now we had not learned that thing. Okay, in JavaScript we are telling this one as a that arrow function. In Java this is known as, I think, lambda expression.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking how can it.
I had listened the word that in Java lambda operation is there, but I don't know how to write. Now I got that both are same actually, arrow function. Okay, so and that is the new feature of ES6 actually. That's why ES6 become popular due to arrow function itself, because it's reducing line of code and function become is within one line you can write. Okay, so yeah, so in the case of ascending and descending, now tell me what is the, okay, just consider this is salary. See where how means where you will use this ascending order descending order method. Now suppose you have the salary of an employee, okay, and you have this much data. Now you have to find out who have a more salary. Now tell me, Shivani, Sweta, both are sleeping, I think. Tell me
Okay.
who have a more salary, which employee having more salary. Oh my god, this much having changed. Salary console dot log. Salary, is there any error? No. Okay, so yeah, tell me which employee have more salary. How to find out? Let's see this one. Yeah, this is your data. Now tell me, and how to find out? Don't tell me how to find out. What happened? Oh, this complete line is there. See this output. Now tell me how to find out the highest salary. Sweta, Shivani, Kumari.
Sir, what?
Yeah, tell me who have a highest salary.
In ascending order, last one. In descending order, first one.
Now tell me how to find out. Don't tell me first or last. How to find out that one.
Sir, using the.
Sir, we are going to use max object, sir.
Why we will go max? We can use the array method directly.
Yeah,
Array,
sir.
and we can pass 0th index.
Yeah, sir, that's why I think.
Then what you telling? You not speaking itself. This become highest value. HIGHEST, highest value. Correct or not? So why we always trying to ascending order or descending to find out the highest and lowest value? Okay, that is the reason. That's why we always trying to sort the data. Clear? So in the real scenario, be using the ascending or descending to sort the data. Suppose that like a date of birth, and you have to find out who have the means who having who is more elder. Okay, means who have a more age, high age. How you can find out minimum and maximum date of birth, and you can find out the differences easily. You get calculated what is the age of the employee or whatever, correct or not? Difference between minimum date of means minimum value and current value. Difference of both, it will give you the age of the employee or age of the anyone. Just think, see, we have to think in alternate way. Never you will get that how to find out. If you have to find out the age, you will search in Google how to find out the age. Don't think that. Think how you will approach that scenario. Now you have to tell me what is difference between highest salary and lowest salary of the employee. Who will tell? Praful, will you tell highest difference between highest and lowest salary of the employee?
Highest means maximum salary, means number getting highest, which is number.
See, you getting descending order there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You getting descending order. From that output, you have to tell me the result. Now see, you get the ascending order. Now tell me what is the difference between the person who getting highest salary and who getting the lowest salary. What is difference between both value? You have to tell that.
Money.
What are you telling? Minus. What happened? No idea. No one.
Link minus 1. Link minus.
Oh my God.
Sir.
Sweta, what are you telling? Money.
No, sir. Maximum salary gone to on last length. And
Sir, we can say who all belongs to first, that would be minimum salary. Who are all the last, that would be maximum salary.
See, 1 second. Whatever ascending value be getting, this is the salary of employee. Okay. 1 rupees, 10 rupees, 25, whatever is there, it is salary. What is the highest salary?
5,000.
5,000. What is minimum salary?
1 rupees.
1 rupee. Now tell me what is difference means. What is the difference between the salary? Person who getting low and person who getting high budget, high salary. What is the difference? So how we will calculate the difference between that? So highest
Sir,
salary.
index.
What is the highest salary? Yeah.
1 rupees.
So first we have to get the highest salary, and then we have to get the lowest salary, and we will minus a difference that. So how to get the highest salary? How to get the 5,000?
Length minus 1.
Means length minus 1. So
Sir.
salary. Why we will go minus? We will go dynamic length. Correct? Let's save. We got 1. Why we got 1?
Sir, salary after you can pass another salary dot.
Here we removed this.
Yes. That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Salary dot. What happened?
So minus 1, sir.
Yeah, correct. Minus 1. So salary minus 1, we got the 5,000. Next, how we will got the minimum value? Means a low salary. Having that. So we will go again salary and pass the index value. That is 0. Always on the 0th position will be the lowest. So this one. I want what I want difference between that. So take this value and do minus. And here we will pass SALARY salary difference. Now see, We got the salary difference between last employee and first employee become 4,999. Now we see this dynamic. What is the benefit of dynamic value? Yeah, last salary. No, don't take this. I will increase the salary. Go with 1 lakh and remove this one value. Now see the different that output. It become 10. Minimum salary is 10 and maximum becomes something, one something value. And what is the difference? Difference automatic came. So this is the benefit that when we getting any when we are taking any dynamic value. So it automatic calculating and it giving the output. Got it? What is the benefit? Now see whatever data you had written here, whatever code you had written, it will work dynamic because whatever value this one, it coming from database somewhere, correct or not? And whatever operation it's working, it will perform accordingly. Clear? So this way we can calculate difference salary, difference age difference, and we can calculate age of the employee, age of means that. So this way we can work. We can manipulate the data. Don't think that we are learning one method that's up to there only. No, we can. Clear? Up to this or not? Tell me. So yeah, so sorting arrange random order. Let it to be, I think how much this one, the Fisher East methods. Let it to be this one. Find the
Sir,
highest and lowest.
बहुत confusion हो गया सर इतना में.
What? More confusion.
सर आने दीजिए बहुत सर.
बात है कि कोई प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करते तो कंफ्यूजन तो होना ही है. सिंपल सा फंडा. Let's stop recording.